Okay, so this is a quick test where the DJI mic is set up right here on top of my 80D, and you can see the microphone right there. I am using the little wing stuff because obviously it is kind of windy over here. So again, this is kind of what you can expect here on the 80D. It kind of feels like a vlogging kind of style. Just gonna do a little bit of walk right here so you could get an idea of how this microphone sound, and again, the quality of it. So I like the fact that in this case, if I would have had two people, I could legitimately have somebody next to me with the other microphone as well, and we could both have a conversation. We could both have good audio. And not only that, sometimes with a shotgun mic, you kind of have to be facing the camera. If I'm facing this way, the audio quality should not change at all. As I'm looking away from the camera, we should continue to have the same quality of audio, and it should be just fine. So again, this is an audio test right here with the DJI mic, and I'm just doing kind of like a vlogging style kind of video where I'm walking and recording via the transmitter right here. So we're going to continue to do a little walk and continue to talk so you guys could get an idea of what you can expect with this microphone. Again, I'm using it just right here on my shirt. I use the little magnet thing that comes and it's just magnetized. As you can see, it's not moving, it's staying in place, and it just feels pretty good.